Hello student, here we discuss about peptide bonds and why I am discussing a lot about biomolecule because 2 to 3 questions always asked in the competitive exam. So be prepared and you will get success, my child. I am Veena Dikshit. You have to learn more and more. I am giving you all information. So please help me also by reading yourself and getting good marks. Number of peptide bonds, what is dipeptide, how many amino acids involved, and number of peptide linkage. So what is dipeptide? Di means 2 and two amino acid. I told you earlier also, di means 2 amino acid. Whatever is written first, you have to see this is the number of amino acid, and peptide means one less than the amino acid will be the peptide linkage. So dipeptide means 2 amino acid are joined linked together by one peptide link. So glycine and alanine, we discuss about that, and gives glyala. Okay, so this is the first simplest what we call peptide linkage will be there. Okay, so that dipeptide means here only one peptide bond and 2 amino acid involved. The number of peptide linkage in n number of amino acid, we don't know about the number, so we'll just say n number of amino acid will be equal to n minus 1 peptide linkage. Okay, for example, pentapeptide. Penta means 5 amino acid, penta means 5 amino acid, and peptide linkage 5 minus 1, that is 4 peptide linkage. Hexapeptide means 6 amino acid, so write down 6 amino acid, then we go for peptide bond. So 6 minus 1, 5 peptide bond. Nonapeptide contains 9, nona means 9 amino acid, so peptide linkage will be 1 less than 9, that is 8. How many peptides are there in a protein? So more than 50 amino acids are there, so more about 50 minus 1, 49 peptide linkage will be there. In oligopeptide, there will be at least 2 to 20 amino acids are involved, so less than 1 are always there. For example, if 20 amino acids are joined, okay, so how many peptide linkage will be 20 minus 1 peptide bond linkage. Instead of linkage, I am writing bond. 20 minus 1, that is 19 peptide linkage. Simplest protein, I told you, glyala, that is dipeptide. Here sometimes I am missing some words, so you please bear with me, you do yourself. Okay, glycine and alanine. Now simplest protein, I told you, number of peptide bonds in 100 amino acid, 100 minus 1, that is 99 amino acid. Okay, in this way it is how easy you can remember all these things. Hexa means 6 amino acid, peptide bond will be 6 minus 1. Hepta 7 amino acid minus 1, that is 6.